Many AI characters look very good, but when they start talking, something feels wrong. Their mouths move in a strange way, and the timing feels robotic. People can see that something is wrong in just a few seconds, and this makes the video feel cheap. But if you do lip sync the right way, the result can look amazing. Today, I will show you a simple system to fix this problem and make AI characters talk in a natural way. This system works for 3D characters, real people, and cartoon characters. You will learn how to make characters talk smoothly, move their mouths the right way, and stay the same in every scene. Good lip sync starts with a good character image. Bad lip sync usually happens when the face is blurry, the lighting is too dark, the mouth is already open, or the jaw is hard to see. That is why we must build characters for lip sync, not just for beauty. The face should always be clear, bright, and easy to see. First, let's make a 3D cartoon character using Dzine AI. Dzine AI is an all-in-one AI platform for creating and editing images and videos. It handles multi-character conversations by assigning scripts, voices, and timings per face, maintaining facial consistency without flickering or warping. Go to the official website and click Start for free. You can find the link in the description box below. Once you enter, you'll see many features. From these, choose the Consistency Character option. Here, you can upload the image you want to use to create your consistency character. From here, select the Lip Boy option. I'll use this feature to create flawless character animation, so I'm choosing it. Now, below this, add the given prompt. You can find the prompt in the description box. The prompt is, an animated teenage girl in Disney Pixar 3D style, wearing casual clothes, with clear facial features for easy lip sync, natural lighting, and a colorful gradient background. Now you can adjust other settings like camera, mood, pose reference, style, and more. But if you're using the free version, you can skip these features. In the style section, you'll find hundreds of unique style options. These help you get exactly the look you want. From these, I'm choosing this one. When everything is set properly, click on Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get the image you were looking for. Once the image is ready, download it. Now click on the Upload option and add your character image. Once it's uploaded, select the Lip Boy from the character options. Then, below in the Character Action and Scene section, add the prompt you want for your video. As you can see, the generated character image looks exactly the same as our original character. By following the same process, I have generated more images. All you need to do is add the prompt you want for your images. Now that our images are ready, it's time to bring our character to life with perfect lip sync. For this, you can follow two methods. If your character is very active and energetic, use the AI video generator. It helps show body movement and expressions. But if your character is calm and polite in nature, then use lip sync tools like HeyGen or Dzine AI. Now let's see how to create lip sync using a video generator. We're going to use VO3 for this. Go to Gemini AI to use VO3 and click the plus icon to upload your character image. Then, in the prompt box, add your video prompt. In the same prompt, also include the dialogue that your character will speak. After that, go to Video Settings and select the VO3 option. Finally, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready.
It's time to watch my favorite show!
You can repeat the same steps to create even more videos. All you have to do is upload your images, add the video prompt, and you're done.
the morning air feels so fresh.
Now let's see how to create lip sync using HeyGen AI. Before this, we need to generate the voice. For this, we will use Speechalo. Go to Speechalo. Below, you'll see many voice options. Choose one from them.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice.
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality audio.
Now, go back to the Insert Text option and add your text. Then, enter the code given in the box. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your voice will be ready.
Yes, my favorite show is on today.
Now go to HeyGen AI. You'll find the link in the description box. Click on the New Video option. You'll see 4 options here. From these, select the Photo to Video option. Now upload your image here, and then add your generated voice. Click on the Upload Audio option and upload your audio file. When the upload is finished, click Add Audio. Below this, you'll see some advanced options where you can add expressions or body movement, but these are only available in the paid version. I'm using the free version, so I'm skipping these options. Now click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready.
Yes, my favorite show is on today. I've been waiting all week for this episode. I love the characters and all the adventures.
Use the same process to generate all the videos. Now we will use CapCut to combine all the videos and create the final video. Go to CapCut and import all your clips. Then add transitions between the clips. After that, add your channel logo or text and finally export the video.
Hi! Today, I'm going to share my daily life activities that make my day exciting.
The morning air feels so fresh. It's time to watch my favorite show! Yes, my favorite show is on today. I've been waiting all week for this episode. I love the characters and all the adventures.